Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the Morning Grain Comments. Well, happy Friday to everybody. Hope everybody stays safe. Wash your hands frequently and stay away from crowds. Overnight, mixed trade with bean complex up, wheat up, corn down a little bit in individual markets. The bean market might be trading hopes for some demand, especially domestically because of increase in meat numbers. Yesterday's hog numbers showed inventory up 4%, so could suggest that mid to late summer supplies could be very high and could weigh on prices. Yesterday, hog futures were down and expect to be down again today. Over in the corn, we're still dealing with the slow export pace. We're dealing with domestic drop in ethanol production because of poor margins, and should have a pretty good South American crop coming on to compete with U.S. exports. Farmers are expected to increase corn acres at a time when we're seeing demand go down, so that's not really going to help the price of these corn if down the road we have normal weather. As far as wheat is concerned, the Russians announced a quota for April, May, June of 7 million metric tons of wheat exports. Many people thought that during that time frame they would ship somewhere between 9 and 10 million metric tons of wheat. So that's about 1 to maybe 3 million metric tons of wheat that might have to find new homes. They've got maybe close to 5 million tons on the books. So we'll see if anybody kind of picks up on that wheat demand. I don't think it's a game changer in the wheat market since we're approaching the U.S. and Northern Hemisphere crops, but it is something that we need to watch pretty closely. As far as weather is concerned here in the United States, the 6 to 10 day, 8 to 14 day maps are cool and dry, but it could see some rain returning after day 14. Russia's dry, but we also could see some scattered rains after day 10. In South America, northern Brazil has above normal rainfall, southern Brazil is dry, and most of Argentina is going to see normal rains except in the northeast quarter, which could be dry. So again, open interest continues to decline, volume continues to decline as people are on the sidelines waiting any news on the virus, especially as it spreads here in the United States. So these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.